Good morning. It's Thursday, September 14, day 3 on the Camino de Santiago. It's 7 a.m. They woke us up with Gregorian chants this morning, and I think we had to be out of there by 7:30. So today I'm heading to Zubiri. It's about 21 kilometers. I think 400 elevation up and then 800 going down. And the weather's supposed to be, right now it's 13. No rain today. And high of 21, but just later in the afternoon. I don't know what that means. So, yep. I think sunrise is at 7:40, so I'm going to have to put on my headlight. Here's the sign, 790 kilometers to go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
That's the guy from the other day, from yesterday, from sleeping on the Pyrenees. I guess he camped out here. I wonder if he's just gonna camp. He's gonna just sleep in his tent all the way there, which I heard you're not supposed to, but. So for now, it's road walking. We came out of the forest. Now it's some road walking. And this is the little town of Porco. Cute little town. Very picturesque. So this is another option where you could stay instead of staying in Roncesvalles. You would just go to the next town. I don't even know, like it wasn't that long. Maybe 5 minutes. No, sorry, maybe 10 minutes or so. It wasn't long. So on the Camino, the way is marked by either yellow arrows or these yellow shells on the blue background. So that's how you know where you're going. But you also have various apps that have been created for it, where they help you navigate the Camino, along with show you, water sources, places to stay, places to eat. See, there it is. So I just spoke to two women. They're actually walking behind me in the green. They're from the Azores. Sisters. She is 74 and her sister is 72. And she's done 4 Caminos, different routes. She's done half of the Frances, and this year both of them are doing the full Frances starting. They started in Saint Jean. Yeah, impressive, right? Crazy. Guess we gotta go this way. Oh my god. Yep, this way. Doing it. A few people I know are a week ahead of me, and they did this in the rain. Like, I can't imagine. So this is Espinal. I just got stopped by the village greeting committee. It's an owner of the second bar. So he said if I want a smoothie to walk to the second bar, which I had heard that most people tend to stop in the first bar, but usually the second bar is always better. So we're gonna see. Everything looks delicious.
Morning.
So I did stop at the second place, and I got a tortilla de batata, tortilla de batata, and a cafe con leche. So definitely stop at the second place. The stuff inside looked delicious. Really grateful that it's a beautiful day. I think it's going to be a hot one today. As far as water, they'll have, you can find fountains, and it will let you know if it's drinkable water or not. And let me tell you, it's really good water. Like, tastes so good. Our tap water in Canada, or in Toronto, doesn't taste that good. So just had breakfast at that place, and it was delicious. I could have probably had another coffee, but I might stop in the next town and grab a coffee. So, waymarker and arrows all pointing this way. Ah, yes. And from the looks of it, it looks like we're going back uphill. No downhill yet. And you can see the fog is lifting. Cute little town. All these houses like this remind me of like where I grew up in Germany, like that kind of, you know, very cute. Not sure how easy it is to see, but the trail is busy. Like, just two people behind me, but in front, while I was having breakfast, a bunch of people passed me. I don't mind. It's okay. Blackberries. Oh, that one wasn't ripe yet. Ooh. Oh, I think these ones are ripe. Yeah, ripe. Delicious. Oh, most of them have been picked, I guess. So the past half hour has been all like this. We're just up on the side of the mountain, and then the main road, I believe that's the road that we took from Pamplona to Saint Jean, is down there. Look how beautiful. I'm like so enjoying, like it's beautiful out. I don't know, maybe 14, 15, but the sun is out. It's cool. This is fairly easy terrain. We had a few steep inclines going up, but nothing, you know, but most of it has been like this. I think I need to go down. Do I go down this way or do I go down this way? Oh, this is the part that they were saying. This is the old Roman road that can be slippery when it rains. She just walked behind me when I was crossing. Her name is Mai, and she's a Rhodesian. So cute. Hi! Good girl! Good girl! I'm totally lollygagging, but that's because I have a place tonight, so I don't need to rush. Taking my time, enjoying it. It's not a race. Chit-chatting. I know, right? Chit-chatting me. And yeah, just taking my time, watching my step. According to the sign, it's another 4.2 kilometers, an hour and 20 minutes. Really beautiful rocky terrain. Oh look. Made it to town. This is Zubiri. Staying in Casa Suseia, Albergue Suseia, number 33, which is here. I'm assuming this is where I am. I have to go number 33. Can't remember at what time they said they were going to open. And I can't wait to put my feet in the river, but it sounds pretty full. I guess from all the rain these past few days, weeks. So we came from up there. Over there. Put my feet in. I think I'm gonna go see at what time it says I can check in, and then grab some lunch. Salad or something. Okay, here I am. This is my hostel. Oh my god. Oh. Look at that. Puppy dog's looking at me. This is my hostel for the night. Pilgrim's home. Casa Suseia. Check-in is at 1, so it's 1:20. I'm gonna check in and then walk back to town. It's like a 7-minute walk. This is the bathroom. That's private rooms. There's 6 bunk beds here. I'm gonna take that one. And then here are our lockers. And then downstairs is the kitchen and the dining room. I think I'm gonna choose this one instead. Just over here. This is the municipal albergue in Zubiri, and you can't make a reservation. It's also a cheaper option. I'm not sure, I think like 7 or 8 euros.
It's a bit of bacon. 2 days. Salmon.